Welcome to MAI Academy. My name is Samuel Omoreji, and I will be your digital instructor for this course, Team Dynamics and Real-World Challenges. Let me state what to expect from this course. Welcome to this course, Team Dynamics and Real-World Challenges. This course provides a deep understanding of how individuals come together to form teams, how those teams operate, and the internal and external challenges that affect their effectiveness. In every organization, whether in business, government, education, or community development, success depends heavily on teamwork. No individual, no matter how skilled, can achieve large-scale goals alone. Teams are therefore the foundation of productivity, innovation, and organizational success. However, building a successful team is not simply about grouping people together. It involves careful selection of members, clear definition of roles, effective communication systems, leadership structure, trust building, and continuous conflict management. When these elements are weak, teams struggle, leading to poor performance, misunderstandings, and organizational failure. This course also examines real-world challenges that teams face, such as communication breakdown, leadership conflicts, unclear responsibilities, lack of trust, resource limitations, and organizational pressure. You will be exposed to practical insights on how to identify these problems and manage them effectively. By the end of this course, you will understand how effective teams are built, how responsibilities are distributed, how trust and communication shape performance, and how to analyze and solve organizational challenges in real-life environments. This course, Team Dynamics and Real-World Challenges, is designed as a comprehensive study of how human beings function within organized systems, particularly in professional, institutional, and leadership environments. It examines not only how teams are formed, but also how they behave, evolve, struggle, and succeed in real-world situations. In every society, organizations are the backbone of development. Governments operate through ministries and departments, businesses function through teams and units, NGOs rely on project groups, and even small enterprises depend on coordinated human effort. This means that teamwork is not just a workplace requirement, but a fundamental structure of civilization. However, despite its importance, teamwork is often one of the most misunderstood and poorly managed aspects of human organization. Many teams fail not because individuals lack intelligence or ability, but because of poor coordination, weak leadership, unclear communication, role confusion, and lack of trust. This course therefore goes beyond theory to examine the real mechanics of teamwork, including psychological behavior, communication systems, leadership influence, conflict dynamics, and organizational pressure. It also focuses on real-world challenges, meaning the actual problems that occur in teams such as 1. Miscommunication between members, 2. Leadership conflict or weak leadership, 3. Emotional disagreement and personality clashes, 4. Lack of accountability, 5. Inefficient workflows, 6. Resource limitations, 7. Organizational politics. By the end of this course, you will understand not only how teams work, but why they fail, and how they can be fixed, improved, and optimized for high performance. Studying team dynamics is essential in modern society because no individual operates in isolation within professional environments. Every system of productivity depends on collaboration. This course is important because it helps you understand the hidden structure behind success in organizations. 1. Understanding human behavior in workplaces. People behave differently in group environments than they do individually. Stress, pressure, competition, and leadership influence change how individuals think and act. This course helps you understand these behavioral changes. 2. Building strong leadership capacity. Leadership is not only about giving instructions. It involves managing emotions, resolving conflict, guiding people, and maintaining unity. This course builds leadership intelligence. 3. Improving workplace communication. Most organizational failures come from poor communication, not lack of skill. This course teaches how communication flows in teams and how to improve it. 4. Enhancing productivity and efficiency. Well-managed teams produce more results in less time. Understanding team dynamics helps improve efficiency. 5. Reducing conflict in organizations. Conflict is natural, but unmanaged conflict destroys teams. This course teaches how to prevent and resolve conflict. 6. Preparing for real-world work environments. Modern workplaces require collaboration, adaptability, and emotional intelligence. This course prepares you for real-life professional environments. 7. Developing problem-solving skills. Organizational problems require structured thinking. This course builds analytical and problem-solving ability. 8. Understanding leadership failure and success. Many leaders fail not due to lack of vision but poor team management. This course explains why. By the end of this course, you should realistically expect to develop deep practical and theoretical understanding of teamwork systems. You will be able to 1. Understand the psychology behind team formation and behavior. 2. Analyze why some teams succeed while others fail. 3. Identify leadership strengths and weaknesses in team environments. 4. Manage communication systems effectively. 5. Assign roles based on skill, competence, and structure. 6. Handle conflict professionally without destroying relationships. 7. Build trust in group and organizational settings. 8. Improve coordination between individuals and departments. 9. Solve real-world workplace problems. 10. Evaluate team performance using structured methods. 11. Adapt to different organizational cultures. 12. Lead teams in professional and project environments. 13. Apply teamwork principles in business, government, and NGOs. 14. Understand pressure, deadlines, and organizational stress. 15. Develop emotional intelligence for leadership success. This course explores how teams are formed, how they function, and why some teams succeed while others fail in real-world environments. It focuses on the human, structural, and communication factors that shape teamwork in organizations, businesses, governance systems, and project environments. You will understand how leadership, communication, trust, and role clarity influence team performance, and how real-world challenges affect productivity and outcomes. I look forward to congratulating you upon the successful completion of this course. To maximize your learning experience, ensure that you actively participate in all individual and group activities, as well as complete the course assessments. Your commitment and dedication will contribute greatly to your success. I wish you the very best throughout this learning journey, and I look forward to celebrating your achievements at the end of the course.